Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do page number 8 of your Sound English book. Page number 8 of your Sound English book. So open your books. Before starting your work, recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Open page number 8 of your Sound English book. Today we are going to learn about sound of double L. Sound of double L. What is the sound of single L? L, L. Double L has same sound as L sound, L. Double L sound is L. So let's start. Look at the first picture. Yes, here is a well in the picture. So how you will read the sound of well? Well. Look at the next picture. Yes, here is a hill. So how we will read the sound of hill? Hill. A hill. Yes, here is a doll. And how you will read the sound of doll? Doll. Yes, in next picture, here is a wall. So we will read the sound of wall. Wall. Here is a bird. Its name is gull. So how you will read it? Gull. Next picture is of a bell. Let's read the sound of bell. Bell. Here is a pill, a medicine. So you will read it pill. Next picture is of a ball. Ball. A well, a hill, a doll, a wall, a girl, a bell, a pill, and a ball. Now revise it again, and after revision say Alhamdulillah, Allah Hafiz.